I will share my tried and tested tips and tricks for keeping children entertained and engaged during long journeys that not only keeps children occupied but also help them learn and explore while on the go. Let's begin. Paper scissors. Learning to cut with scissors can improve hand strength, hand-eye coordination, and attention to task. It can also improve visual motor and visual perceptual skills, all while making a fun and engaging activity for your child. But safety is always a concern when it comes to giving young children sharp objects like scissors. That is why we recommend paper scissors with an all plastic body and no metal parts. This design makes them extremely safe for children to use. Additionally, paper scissors with a spring mechanism reduce the amount of pressure a child has to put while using them, making them easier and more comfortable to use. Not only paper scissors safe and easy to use, but they can also be a great tool for developing your child's fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Carry some rough paper to cut. These scissors can cut only crisp paper, nothing else, so you don't need to worry if your child can hurt himself or can cut anything else. Clean up. After using paper scissors to cut up pieces of paper, it is important to teach children about the value of cleaning up. By doing so, children learn that while it is okay to make a mess while doing something creative, it is equally important to clean up after. This habit promotes a responsibility and organization skills that will benefit them in long run. My suggestion: when you are packing these fun activities for children, keep it surprise. Don't let them know you have special plans to make trip more enjoyable. When they will discover new activities during the journey, it will bring big smile on their faces and make experience even more memorable. Drop game puzzle. The classic drop game is simply yet addictive game that has entertained children and adults for generations. The objective is to catch the ball with the magnet and drop them into the designated holes. It is a great way to pass the time during long train journey. Playing the drop game can improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and concentration, while also providing a fun challenge for all ages. You will be able to pass the time and create lasting memories with your children. You will be able to enjoy a classic game on your next train journey. Magnifying glass. It is perfect for young explorer and budding scientist, and it will surely spark curiosity and wonder in your child. Magnifying glasses are a perfect tool for kids to see the world with more clarity while also encouraging new skill and a new way to learn. With a magnifying glass, kids can examine toy indoors or take the fun outdoors or anything in detail. A good magnifying glass can be a valuable investment for your child's development. Any time is a good time for a book or story, reading or storytelling. Start creating memory and fostering a lifelong love of reading with your child. Reading and storytelling with children promotes brain development, imagination, language, and emotional development, and strengthens the bond between you and your child. Puzzle solving. Keep your children engaged and entertained during travel with puzzle solving. Solving puzzles can help pass the time and keep them engaged and entertained. Puzzles also help develop problem solving skills, spatial awareness, and hand-eye coordination in children. Make sure to choose puzzles that are age appropriate for your child and challenging enough to keep them interested. You can also choose from a variety of them, such as animal, geography, and famous landmarks, to make the activity more fun and educational. Children will spend some time by having their favorite snacks or looking outside the window, or they will spend some time taking nap. And whenever you feel children are getting bored, you can introduce a new activity. Drawing and coloring. Long train journeys can be a great opportunity for children to unleash their creativity through drawing and coloring. Drawing and coloring can improve fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination and concentration, while also promoting relaxation and stress relief. You can also choose them coloring books that features your child's favorite character, animals or landscape. Balloon pump. With a simple balloon pump and some colorful balloons, your children can enjoy hours of entertainment. Blowing up balloons with a pump can be a great way to improve hand-eye coordination and strengthen the muscles of children's hands. It is also a fun activity that can spark creativity and imagination, as you and your kids can create all kinds of shapes and characters with balloons. The best part, you can easily pack a balloon pump and balloons in your luggage for your next trip. To explore all top rated products mentioned in this video, link is in the description. Push fidget toy. This toy is designed to provide satisfying tactile experience that helps relieve stress, anxiety and boredom. The child can push the bubbles in and out repeatedly, creating a popping sound that adds to the sensory experience. The compact and lightweight design of Push fidget toy makes it perfect travel companion for your train journey. Your kids can peacefully play it during the journey. Water console ring toss game. This game combines the excitement of a classic ring toss game with the fun of water play. The game features a water-filled console with the floating rings that your child can toss onto a peg. The game is easy to play and helps improve your child's hand-eye coordination, concentration and motor skills. The compact and portable design of the water console ring toss game makes it a perfect travel companion for your train journey. If your children explore all the activities you have brought and you still have to go long way, now that they know what activities are available, now they can ask, Mom, can I draw? Or Mom, can I solve puzzle? Or can you read a story for me? With so many options available, your children will not get bored during journey. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with those who may find it useful. And if you have any fun activities ideas for journey, please share in the comment box. I would love to read them. See you soon.